Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. If you take a piece of tape and put it on your face and then look at it under a microscope, you'll see something pretty interesting. These are face mites and they are living on your face right now. They spend their lives living in the pores of your skin. Try not to freak out as there's basically nothing you can do to get rid of them.
Let's go.
And have a happy and safe journey home.
And for our guests who parked in our Chippendale parking lot, make sure you use the crosswalk. Crosswalk is your one and only access into the Chippendale parking bubble.
This person's car broke down on a busy, dangerous highway, so this guy stopped to help out.
Come on. Slow down. Let's go! Oh, to the right. Let's go, crank it left. There it is, crank it left. Go ahead. You good? You good? Yeah.
This person went on a plane and refused to wear a mask, so everyone had to get off.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We do apologize for the inconvenience. We're going to have to deplane the entire aircraft and then reboard the aircraft.
Let her get off. She get off. Let her get off.
Please take your belongings. We're going to have to deplane the entire...
Ew!
This person took a pregnancy testing device and then reprogrammed it to show different memes. This gopher found a curious dog watching it. This person isn't very good at playing baseball, so he created a bat that can do the work for him.
I made this whole mechanism floating inside the bat, so as those springs compress, the whole mechanism can come out.
That's the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.